This is my conscience. Conscience, what should I do?
Kill a mermaid and be Godzilla, and then set a random place on fire, and the people in that place will die, and go into space, and eat the sun, and then everyone will be dead.
Thank you, Conscience. I will do that. I'm sorry to ruin everybody's beach day, but I murdered a mermaid.
Earlier that day when she was going to kill a mermaid. Later that day when she was going to be Godzilla.
I'm here to eat all of you! What is happening?
Later that day when she was going to set a random place on fire.
Give it to me like.
Later that day, when she went into outer space, and ate the sun for no reason.
Oh.
Meanwhile, what's happening on Earth? What she was doing yesterday.
Bet you didn't know I was a musical genius. Watch how good I am.